Namaskaram. In our last class we have seen some of the list functions, and in today's class we will continue with our questions. The dash method adds a single item to the existing list at the end. Answer is append. Append is used to add an item at the end of a list. Example, L equal to 4, 5, L dot append 6. Print L. The value 6 is added at the end of the existing list L. Next one, the dash method adds a list at the end of another list. Adding a list at the end of another list. Extend. We have the list with values 4, 5, 6. Then L dot extend another list 8, 9. See the list now. The list with values 8, 9 is added at the end of this existing list N. You can use a list directly like this, or you can store a list in a variable like this. Then L dot extend the variable name. See the value of L now. The list in the variable P is added with this existing list L. Next one, the dash method is used to insert an element at a specified index. Append is to add an item at the end of the list. Extend is to add a list at the end of an already existing list. Then the answer is insert. Okay, I have the list with values like this. Then suppose I want to insert an element 30 in between this 4 and 5. That means at index 1. Between 4 and 5 means after 4. That is at index 1. So what I have to give? L dot insert. Then at index 1 I have to insert. So first give the index, comma, then the value. What is there in L? 30 is inserted at index 1. See, the first value is, the first argument is the index and the second argument is the value. Clear? So next question, what will be the output of the following Python code? List 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List 1 dot insert 4, 0. Then print list 1. Okay, the answer is option C. The value 0 is inserted at index 4. The value 0 is inserted at index 4. Don't get confused with this order. First index, then the value. See the option D. Here value 4 is inserted at index 0. So don't get confused with this order. First one index, then the value. You can remember this like this. What is the first letter in insert? It is I. So I for index. Index is the first argument. So index, value. One more question. What will be the output of the following code? 10, 20, 30, 40. Insert 2, 50. That is at index 2. Add the element 50. Where is index 2? 0, 1, 2. Here we have to insert the value 50. So what will be the answer? Option A. Next one. Given the list name equal to Arun, Mohan, Shanti. Which of the following statements result in an error? Name of 1 dot upper, name 1, 2 dot upper, name dot upper. What is the use of upper function? The function upper will return the uppercase equivalent of the string. Okay, what is name of 1? 0, 1. Mohan. Mohan is name of 1. Name of 1 dot upper. Is there any mistake? No. Next one. Name 1, 2 dot upper. What is name 1, 2? Name 1 is this one. 1, 2 is this one. M is 0. O at 1. Then H at 2. So this H will convert into uppercase. Is there any mistake? No. Then what about the last one? Name dot upper. Name is a list. We don't have a function called upper in list. So name dot upper we cannot give. So this statement results in an error. Clear? The upper function is for the strings only, not for the list. Next one. Given L equal to 273834, what will be the output of the following code? Print L dot index 3. What is the use of index function? It will return the index of the first occurrence of the value given as the argument. Here the value is, the argument is 3. So where is 3? See at position 2. 0, 1, 2 at index 2. Value 3 is at index 2. And this value 3 is there again at index 4. But the index function will return the index of the first occurrence of the value in a list. So it returned 2. L dot index 5. Index of 5 is 2. Next one. Dash method counts how many times an element has occurred in a list and returns it. That is the frequency of an item in a list. Answer is count. A equal to 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2. A dot count of 2. The result is 3. 2 is there 3 times. A dot count of 3. 3 is here and here. Count is 2. Okay. Today we have seen the functions append. Append is used to add an element at the end of a list. The function extend is used to add a list at the end of an existing list. Next one, insert. Insert is used to insert an element at a specified index. The next one, function index. Index is used to return the index of the first occurrence of an element in a list. Then count is used to count the frequency of an element in a list. We will continue with our list functions in next class. Thank you.